Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Did you know that planting a tree could protect your family from mosquito bites? That's right. Trees aren't just pretty. They're like superheroes fighting off those pesky, disease-carrying mosquitoes. Today, we're diving into an exciting new study from 2025 that shows how trees can help keep you safe from diseases like dengue fever. Imagine this: your backyard is like a big party, and mosquitoes are the annoying guests who crash it. Some of these mosquitoes, like the Asian tiger mosquito, carry nasty diseases like dengue, Zika, or chikungunya. These bugs can make you really sick. Think high fevers, aches, or even worse for kids and grandparents. But here's the cool part. A study from Stanford University, done in Costa Rica in 2005, found that areas with more trees have way fewer of these dangerous mosquitoes. How? Imagine trees as the security guards of this backyard party. When you have lots of trees, they invite a big crowd of different kinds of mosquitoes. Not the bad ones, but other types that compete for food and space. It's like filling the party with good guests who push out the troublemakers. The study showed that forests had tons of different mosquito types, but hardly any of the ones that spread dengue. Meanwhile, open areas like towns or farms with fewer trees were full of those bad mosquitoes. Trees create shade and soak up extra water, making it harder for the disease-carrying mosquitoes to find spots to lay their eggs. This is a big deal because dengue alone affects millions of people every year. Over 3.9 billion are at risk worldwide. And with climate change making things warmer, mosquitoes are popping up in more places, even in new countries. But trees are a natural, easy way to fight back. They don't just block bad mosquitoes. They also bring birds and dragonflies that eat mosquitoes for lunch. Plus, trees cool down your neighborhood and make it look awesome. Who doesn't want that? Now here's why this matters to you. Planting a tree in your yard or park can help keep your family safer from mosquito bites. It's like giving those bad bugs a big no way. And it's not just about big forests. Even a few trees in your community can make a difference. The study says we still need big forests to keep nature strong. But every tree you plant helps. It's cheap, it's natural, and it's something anyone can do. First, plant a tree. Talk to your family, school, or neighbors about adding trees to your area. It could be a fun weekend project. Second, check your yard for things like old tires, buckets, or pots where water collects. That's where mosquitoes love to breed. Dump that water out to stop them in their tracks. And if you want extra protection, use bug spray or nets. But trees are a great start. Before we go, let's recap. Trees are like nature's mosquito fighters. They bring in good bugs, block the bad ones, and make your community healthier and greener.